Mabuhay everyone! This video, I would like to share to all of you, mostly to those everyone are applying on BPO industry. I hope this will be helping you a guide at your interview. So this is the sample questions and answer on call center interview. Question number 1. Listen for this, guys. Why do you want to work for our company? Answer. From my research that your company, I found out that your company has great values such as integrity and professionalism. I also like that your company values quality, performance, and for me, it will be a great opportunity and it's an honor to be part of your company. Aside from that, the company's compensations and benefits are also competitive, and I believe this is important because for me, it shows that the company understands the worth of its employees. And to share also that I have some of my friends is working in your good company, and they said that you have a fun environment and great employee engagement activities, and for me, BPO industry is tough and it's not easy. So, it's nice to have activities that will keep the call center full of life and energy. So, this is a very basic question, but we have a clear answer, right? Okay, so let's go to the questions number 2. What is your idea of a call center or a BPO? My idea of a call center is that it's an actual place where people or employees make or take calls for their company or for another company. This is to fulfill a certain task. It could be customer service, technical support, or sales, or any bank transaction issues and other concerns of the customer. So BPO is business process outsourcing. In this kind of industry, companies outsource a part of their business to another company or entity. For example, there's a company in the USA that need a customer support or customer service. They can hire a call center to answer customer service calls for them. Questions number 3. Why do you want to work in a call center? Answer. I want to work in a call center because I believe that I have something to contribute to this industry. I understand that the call center environment can be stressful at times, but I know that I can handle stress very well. I know that there's an opportunity for individual growth and development. I also want to make an effort to support my family, especially for my children. Any help for them, mostly for my youngest daughter still studying. I want her to finish on her school. This is my own opinion, guys. It depends upon to you. It depends on your situation. Yeah, your real situation. Okay. And I want to show also to the company that I can do my job very well. So question number 4. What is customer service for you? Customer service is one of the most important aspects of a business. The customers are the bread and butter of a business. They deserve whenever they needed it, or even they don't ask for it. So it is important they get the excellent service, and also to resolve all the customers' concerns. In short, we are here to help them to resolve their all issues, their customers' concerns. Question number 5. What is customer satisfaction for you? Answer. Customer satisfaction is a measure of how happy and fulfilled customers are when doing business with a certain company. Another question is the follow-up question only from question number 5. How you can achieve the best customer satisfaction? Answer. I can help achieve the best customer service satisfaction by giving excellent service to customers and by resolving all their concerns or leading them to proper resolutions and showing them that they are always the priority. Yeah, customers is always right. Remember that. So, let's go and proceed to another last questions of the day. For the day. So, you can follow me and support on this video, okay? So, question number 7. How would you handle a call from irate customer? Answer. First of all, I will listen to my customers' questions and to my best to understand the issues or concerns. I will inhale and exhale to help myself stay calm and composed. Then, once the customer is done explaining, I will acknowledge that he is feeling at the moment by providing empathy statement. For example, I will say, I understand why you are frustrated, Mr. Customer. I am here to help you resolve your concerns. After that, I will start taking action or do what needs to be done to help the customer. And since the customer is angry, he is probably going to yell at me. But I have to stay patient and professional and be aware of my tone of voice. I'll make sure not to raise my voice as well. I will not take his anger personally because there is a reason that he's calling, and that is for me to resolve his concerns. So, that is the questions and answers for the day. Abangan nyo ang ating next question and answer that will guide you and help you to the call center interview. So, follow for more and see you on my next video. I hope, looking forward that it will help you my video for your self-improvement for the BPO industry, like me also. So, bye for now. See you on my next video. God bless. Bye.